Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a light sweep effect using transition in CapCut. Okay, you can select your videos or that you like to edit. And for example, just going to add some images to the type and go to transition, select light effect and select light sweep to add to the track and adjust for duration in 1 second and apply to all the clips. You can combine with effect. For example, stick effect. I'm just going to add the light effect, horizontal place 2 and just duration. And you can see for the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.